Hi guys, so this is Grace again and welcome back again to my channel. And I am here right now at the chicken coop and look at the chicken. They are very hungry. Even though we already feed them this afternoon, but they like these special foods. This is a mix corn with I don't know what else is here. Have some green peas on it and some they call it cracker. Crack corn. This is crack corn. Call this one crack corn. So lots of vitamins and minerals. Look at that. They're enjoying the food. So my husband is not able to be here this afternoon because he's a little bit tired because we went to San Carlos today and we arrived around 2:30 in the afternoon. So we're not able to come here. Maybe by tomorrow because this afternoon there's no wind. It's a little bit warm. And look at that. So this month it be a busy month for us because we're celebrating some fiesta this coming June 24 here in our place, and also my husband's birthday is this coming June 22, and also this coming Sunday is Father's Day, and maybe I'm gonna do some special for my husband on Father's Day and on his birthday. Hopefully I be able to do that. And thanks God that some of our chicken is getting better now, and some of them we already turned them loose. And we also bought some another medication for their illness. So we bought that one online because over here in the store in Valle Hermoso they don't have a medication available in that store, so we just bought it in online, and we got it today. So by tomorrow we're gonna give that medication to our chicken. So hopefully it will help them a lot, and it's an antibiotic and supposedly taken 1 time a day, and we're gonna give them tomorrow morning. So gonna take it about 5 to 7 days. As you can see, they're enjoying the foods. And some over here, my mama feed them some coconut. They grind the coconut, then they gave it to them. Look at that. They look so happy and they're roaming around. Hi, hello, hi. So after here I'm gonna go check the chicks to the pullet pen and how they're doing. Hi, this one is Rocky. So we turned him loose because he's not being bad to the other chicken, so we just turned him loose. He really enjoyed that he can go out now and been playing with the other hen, with the other chicken. Hi there. So this one is the one it's been sick last week, so he's getting better now, and he's been looks so very healthy now, and hopefully that some of our chicken will be getting better soon. So we still have some in the quarantine area here. We have some chicken here and the other side also. So some of them we already turned them loose. So we have some hen here laying, as you can see. So I don't know how many eggs we got today, because I'm not asked my friend Bastion how many eggs she collected today. So I'm gonna check over here, because this is where she normally put the egg. Oh my god, we have a lot of egg in here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 eggs today. That's nice. That's good. So yesterday we've been collecting about 9 eggs. So today we have 8 eggs. 4, 5, 6, 9 eggs. We have 9 eggs. Then we still have some hen there in the nesting box. So I'm gonna check the chicks after here. I'm gonna put some alcohol on my hands before I go inside. So this is where we put the alcohol and some soap, antibiotic, antibacterial. And I'm gonna put some in my feet, spray some alcohol. Dirty. Look at that. So I'm gonna go to the pollet pan now. Sorry for the background music, because it's coming fiesta here, and they have that basketball going on there in the plaza, in the basketball court, and they have it every night now for this coming fiesta. So it be a little bit noisy here, but it's okay, because it's not all the time that they have that. So my uncles and aunties, maybe some of them were not able to visit here in our place this coming fiesta, because one of my uncle is been building some house, and also graduation of his daughter. So they don't have a lot of money this time to come here, and because they are building a new house. So we really do understand. And maybe one of my uncle will be visit here, and some of my cousins, and one of my sister will be coming here this coming June 23, I think, because the fiesta is in June 24. So here's the chicks, guys. As you can see, I am here inside in the pollet pen, and look at them. Hi, Mama's here. Mama is here. Mama is here. Mama have a new. Look at Mama's nail. I have this. I've been to the. I've been changing the color of my nails today, and they really love this color. Look at that. They like this color here. Hi, I have some manicure today, because it's been almost a month now since I have a manicure, so I have changed my color of my nails. Still have some beads on it. Hi, look at my nails, guys. They really enjoy that. Hi, come on to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Come to mama. Hi. They really enjoy the color of my nails. I mean, they love the color. Look, they just keep. And they think it's foods. Hi, how are you? Mama's here now. Mama's here. They're getting bigger, as you can see that they're bigger. I think they're just it's been 1 week since we put here in the pollet pen, and they're much bigger. Look at that. Beautiful. They look very healthy also, as you can see. Hi. Mama's here. Mommy just checking if you all are okay. I'm not been visiting this morning, and I'm not been checking to them because we've been to San Carlos. We've been buying some groceries, and we've been picking up some parcels. My husband ordered some tools. I just gave that to him as a birthday gift because I'm not, because I really don't know. I know that he really loves some tools because it really very useful for him, especially when working in the van. So he's very happy on that new tools that he got. It's really nice, and it's a lot. It's not really expensive for all of them that he got. It's only almost 2,000 pesos, 2,000 pesos, and he got different kinds of tools in a box, and he's very happy on that. Look at that. They've been roaming around here because our polythene is much bigger, and they can walk around. So we have 18 checks on here, in this area here. Oh, it's been sprinkled a little bit, so maybe it will be raining because last night it's been raining hard here. So I'm gonna go to the other side. Hi, Mama. We will be back soon, okay? Mommy just checking the other chicken. Look at them. You already miss me. So I'm gonna check the other chicken here. So this is one of our quarantine. Supposed to be like a breeding box here, but we just Day, basyon! Palihaw kari, day! So I was here in that quarantine area, and one of the black astrolorp escaped here. So I called my friend Basyon to help me to get him because he really moves so fast, and I just can't pick him up. Because I'm afraid that some of our chicken will get his illness. So it's not been maybe 1 minute since outside, then he go back here again in the quarantine area. He's very fast. He's just been running so fast I can't catch him. So I need to be careful opening in this door because this one is the one who escaped. Hi. So we give that medication. It's like a tablet, and supposedly they can't drink water after that medication. After they take that medication, they cannot have a water. So they look like they have no energy because no water. But tomorrow we're gonna give them some water. But today we give some water around noon and also this afternoon. But now my friend take the water because she gave that medication. So if the chicken will take that kind of medication, not supposed to give some water after that. And maybe tomorrow we're gonna start that other medication, the one we bought online, and hopefully it will help them to get better. So that's the golden buff there. She just looks tired. Hi. Get better. But they've been eating a lot and just no water for now. So I'm gonna go to the other side. You need to be careful. It scared me. They're just very fast, but they want to go out. They miss being outside. So in the other side, we have some of them is getting better now. Maybe by tomorrow, we're gonna turn them loose. So there's 4, 5, 6, 7 here. So we give them some antibiotic in this container here. And it looks better than the other day. Maybe tomorrow or next day we're gonna turn them loose. So this one here, we not give them any tablet, antibiotic tablet, because they're getting better. We just give them some vitamins because they're not really bad, and hopefully they can get out soon. So I'm gonna go out. Let's check if there's some egg on the nest. Hi. I'm gonna check your egg, huh? I'm gonna check. Oh, there's one egg on here. There's another egg, fresh egg. We need to get the egg because if we not get it, the hen will gonna step on this one. Because the other day we not get it too soon, and this step on this one, we not able to use the egg because it's damaged. It's been cracked. So fresh egg, still warm. So we have 10 eggs today. Thanks God. A big egg, big one. Thank you for the eggs. Sprinkle a little bit. And I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for all the nice comment. I really do appreciate it all. And for all my new subscribers out there, thank you so much for subscribing my YouTube channel. And if you are new to my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So every couple has a story, and I'm gonna do more videos again soon. So please subscribe my YouTube channel. Every couple has a story, and I'll see you guys on my next video. So thank you so much again, and God bless us all.